Chess, a game of kings, geniuses, and total beginners who still think pawns can move backwards. If you've ever sat down to play chess and thought, how hard could it be? This video is for you. Spoiler, it's very hard if you don't know what you're doing. So let's dive into how not to play chess. Every beginner's dream move, the legendary queen sacrifice. Except you're not Magnus Carlsen, and this isn't a Netflix series. Losing your queen in the first 5 moves, not strategic, just painful.
It's fine. You didn't need her anyway. It's not like she's the most powerful piece on the board or anything. Pro tip, maybe don't park your queen in front of their knight. Speaking of knights, these are the sneaky little L-shaped nightmares of chess. If you're not careful, they'll fork you faster than, well, let's just say it won't be pleasant. Oops, didn't see that coming? Don't worry, it's only your rook, or your bishop, or all your hopes and dreams. Now, let's talk about the ultimate beginner fail, forgetting to actually win. You've got their king on the ropes. You're so close to victory you can taste it.
Nice.
And then you blunder. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.